Yeah, you're gonna be hearing my honker in the background.
What do you mean?
Me blowing my nose.
Oh, not feeling good or something?
Huh?
You not feeling good?
No, I just get bad allergies.
No.
Like I can't even go outside. Like my eyes are just like water. Like I'm gonna try to pray the symptoms away. Listen to this lady who had incurable cancer. I would listen to this show called Stronger Faith, but it's people who have like weird paranormal godly interactions.
Mhm.
And this lady had this incurable cancer. And she said, she told the doctors, fuck it, I don't want any treatment. And she was already a Christian, but she decided to go all in. She realized her faith wasn't really all that strong. She was more like a checklist Christian, like kids' church type of shit.
Mhm.
So she started really getting into it. And the diagnosis kept getting worse every 2 weeks she went in. But she continued to maintain her faith. And she had fear. So somebody prayed and got her delivered because that was a demonic activity.
Mhm.
The spirit of fear. Hold on. So the doctors gave her like 11 months to live or some shit. And she's on her last month that she was supposed to be alive. She felt really good in spirit and shit. She's fuck it. Her and her family are gonna go on vacation. And then she ended up going to get tested and all the shit was gone. Like all the fucking cancer, the lab work and shit.
And you know what I find most interesting about that is the physical effect that stress has anatomically on the body. Because you have stress glands, right? And when you spend every waking moment of the day anxious about whatever it might be, especially if you're going to die soon. If you're about to die, how do you not think about that? You know, and it wreaks havoc on your body. Your fucking digestive system shuts down. If you're in kidney failure, it excels the speed of kidney failure. Your brain chemistry, you can't fucking think properly. You got brain fog all the time. Your body literally shuts down. But when you make peace with that through faith, all that shit goes away and it actually gives your body a chance to heal normally, um, which I find just fascinating. You know, the fact that they're and you're not going to get that through fucking atheism. Are not going to find
No.
that same sort of relief. It's impossible. The human brain cannot comprehend death. You just can't. You know, whereas through faith, like the thing about faith is it's meant to be easily digestible because faith is designed for the masses. It's not designed for the rich. It's not designed for the elite. It's designed for the masses to be able to digest. And because it's so easy to digest, it's so easy to grasp, it makes faith so easily obtainable. And it can give that relief to a normal average person. You know, you don't need to be scholarly. You don't need to be educated. You just need that faith.
Well, there's Paul, I believe, writes about it in one of the scriptures. There's hope, faith, and love, but without love, there's nothing.
Mm.
The key to it all is opening your heart
Yeah.
and letting love flow in. But negative thoughts are Satan,
Mhm.
and walking in spirit is like love, patience, just kind of that positive stuff, right?
Yeah.
So your mind will constantly attempt to attack you. I my girlfriend was recently having these problems. She doesn't believe, right?
Mhm.
And she said there's something in me and I can't control it, and like hiding stuff or whatever, kind of like white lies or whatever.
Mhm.
So I start holding her and praying, which she's not into it, kind of against it. I don't know what's happened, but she is different in a good
Really?
way. Oh yeah, for sure, man.
Wow.
I already shared my weird paranormal experiences. So on that one episode, the
Mhm.
last episode I did, so uh it works. Why is this fucking Delta not showing up though? That's what I'd like to know. But yeah, man, this lady, I mean, to go in there and the symptoms are like getting worse and shit. And then she got like it all went away, and then she got attacked a second time worse. Like it all went away, right? She's like, "Oh,
Mhm.
I'm fucking healed finally." Um, well, it got to the point where it came back really aggressively, and her bones started to deteriorate. And she stuck to it. Where the fuck is it? Why is this indicator not working anymore?
Yeah, my indicators are
But
running normally.
but it's hard to have faith if you don't really believe in
Mhm.
all that shit. Do I owe like money?
It is the reset first of the month, so you might.
Give me a second.
Pulse check long 5925. And probably take it out here 6225. Nice 3-pointer.
Uh, um, yes. That's the thing is most people. That's the other thing is like a lot of people can't hear it, see it, so they don't believe in it.
Mm.
It's like and Jesus in the Bible in his time, people were telling him to do miracles and he just wouldn't do it. Or when he was getting crucified, they're like, if you're really the God you say you are, you can get down from that cross, and he refused to do it. So, like, not hearing, seeing, believing, using your five senses, people just don't. I'd really like to know what happened to this indicator, though. That was here one day, and then the next day it's not.
You don't owe money to Sierra?
Huh?
You don't owe money to Sierra charts?
I just paid it. Maybe it takes a minute, but
Yeah, sometimes it does.
I don't know if they cut off select services or what. Oops. I accidentally told my bank that the Sierra charge was was fraud.
Oh, nice.
Fuck. Now they're gonna shut my card down. Didn't mean to do that. Well, I just created a trip to the bank for myself.
Nice, nice. Glad to hear it.
Please work, study. I don't know why it's.
Had a 66 long. I'm out at 68. Probably could have held it, but that was my first trade of the day. I just wanted to get some points on the board.
I really wanted to know why this study no longer works. Maybe I could pull up the message log or some shit.
Yeah, message
But
log might tell you. Long 64.75 out at 68.75 for a 4-point winner. That was a nice one. That was picture perfect.
oh, because I got the wrong fucking. It's plugged in. Is it because it's plugged into the wrong thing? No, it's not. Hmm. Fuck. Well, 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 what the fuck is going on here? Chart 6, study 1. I like how sometimes you can just turn your fucking computer off and then something just stops working.
Something breaks.
Like that's
Ooh, that was a good break even.
something seems really fucking off. Why is
Ugh.
do I have a data delay or something? Think so. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, that's why. Wait a second. Oh, I fixed it. I was pointing it to the wrong thing. But now I can't adjust the fucking scales on this chart. There we go.
Sucked. I gave money back on that one.
So what's going on? Why is your hey? There's that new fucking Sierra study. I need you to start using it for trade
Oh, yeah.
graphs.
Shit. Let me go download that real quick.
Where are we? In a range. Uh-oh, there's delayed data coming in. Okay. I knew there was a fucking problem.
Oh, that's weird. It's super thick up here. Why is the market getting so thick?
You need to connect your real broker account. So stupid. Let's see if I have fucking delayed data again.
Kind of long from 71.25.
I don't even know what's going on with the price action.
Got it for a point.
I gotta reset the stream. All right, technical difficulties for the last 20 minutes.
Picked up another point. Spoof that right back up. They are respecting the spoofing today, if you catch my drift.
I'm going in the direction of the orders.
They're whatever side is spoofing the most is where price is trending. Right now we're spoofing up a lot and we're trading up a lot. It's a good trend identifier.
The stocks are taking an initial dump back. Why is my ES on trading 70 fucking sixes, but Sierra Charts is like 67s?
Oh yeah, you're definitely on delayed data, dude.
I just fucking, my data shouldn't be delayed. I just connected a brokerage account. God
Try,
dang, what is happening here?
try disconnecting and connecting again. It might take a couple minutes for them to confirm.
Fuck.
Do you want me to stream my screen so you can watch my chart?
Actions. I just. I don't understand why. Oh, because I didn't actually physically hit connect last time or something. I mean, shouldn't. It's still fucking delayed. How is it? How's my data delayed? I don't understand. I've connected my brokerage account. What is fucking happening?
Yo.
Yeah.
All right, so you have Teton still, right? And it didn't
Yeah.
expire for the month because it's the end of the month and everything has to get renewed. Your data feeds and shit. Did you pay for everything for the month of August?
Yeah, I just did.
Okay, and which brokerage did you connect? AMP or something?
Yeah.
All right, so when you go under global settings and then
I want to account, and it says account notes. Your usage will automatically renew in 70 days. Renew
Yeah, don't worry
now.
about that. Yeah, don't
I
worry about
clicked renew. Everything has green fucking check marks.
that. And your data, you have to go under hold on, let me go to their website. 'Cause
It says activate to do
Yeah.
NASDAQ total
Yeah.
view, which I don't use.
Go scroll down to the part where it's got the CME data and shit. Hold on, I'm trying to get to the website. Let me share my screen if hold on a second. I have so much fucking shit running. You guys are gonna be like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Share my entire screen here. Can I just do this? All right, so you can see my screen, yes?
Hold on.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so you see I'm on the activate services screen,
Mm-hmm.
right? So down under Denali Exchange data feed, CME, CBOT, blah blah blah. This probably does have a green check mark or a red like exclamation
Let
point
me
number.
share my screen.
All right, share your screen. It's fine. Let me kill line. Hold on, because that's gonna be more important. Because it probably just fucking expired, dude. Fucking cunt every month with this shit. Oh, let me pop you out here. So scroll down to keep going down, further down. And then right there, see it says activate, deactivate Denali. Right there, click on that.
This one?
Yep, click that one. And then scroll down, keep scrolling. All right. Yeah, everything expire, bro. Yes, on the 31st. See? So you gotta either select are you doing the full thing
I'm
or
just doing
see me with
market depth.
Yeah,
All
so
right.
click the one, the second activate button next to that says expired, non-professional.
I don't want the full fucking group. Give me a
No,
minute.
just see me.
CME with market depth
Yes.
for non-professional trading accounts.
Yes.
That's what I want.
click the activate button. As long as you have a balance, you should.
I've never had to do this shit.
You got to do it every month, bro. It's a fucking nightmare. They see me change the rules and they force you to fucking manually.
Is it
do
just
every month.
CME? So all the other bullshit I don't need to deal with?
Yeah, correct. The other ones looked like they were okay, like the total view and everything. Looked okay to me.
Well, now I'm fucking a little concerned here.
It's just every month because the thing is the CME wants you to pay monthly now because people would like pay like buy the data for like the last day of the month and then they get billed again and they were getting cranky, so they switched it so that you have to bill. It expires every month and you have to renew it manually. It's a fucking pain in the ass. And then once you make the payment and activate it, it takes like it's usually pretty quick, like about 2 minutes or so. You may have to close.
So
the
what
replay
about right here with my time and sales for the stocks?
for you. Hold on. So that looks. See how it's green? It says it's got the
Yeah.
little green check mark. That usually means you're good to go.
I don't use total view anymore.
Okay, good. So if you're just using the consolidated tape, I mean, you can click on the activate, deactivate under the consolidated tape to make sure it's all set. But when you have the green check mark next to each item, that usually means it's good to go. Scroll down. It'll say it's active until, okay, so it ends on the 31st of this month. The consolidated tape. It's auto, that one auto renews. The CME data, for some reason, you can't auto renew it. They're a bunch of fags.
I'm still delayed on Sierra charts.
Yeah, it takes a minute. So you go back a screen, go back to the last screen, and just double check. Under CME, yeah, activate, deactivate Denali Exchange. Click on it again, and then scroll down.
This is the one I
Okay, it
hit.
says deactivate. It does say automatically renews. I wonder why. Okay, yeah, that's good. So close Sierra and just load it back up. It takes a minute. Like I said, they're a little slow sometimes once you reactivate. And just make sure your data is set to Denali and it's not trying to pull from your brokerage account.
Wait, it's reloading right now.
Okay, there you go.
What a load of shit.
Yeah, they're a bunch of cunts. Oh yeah, they're assholes. Let's see, you got the, yeah, there it goes. It's just reloading. Are you gonna try to execute through Sierra chart now? It's Jigsaw?
No. No.
Oh. I was just
I just don't know why sometimes I turn my computer off for a few days and then everything breaks. First the study broke. First a study
really?
broke for no reason.
That's annoying. Sure, it's taking so long to load.
I think it's because there's a million custom studies and I notice the message log goes through this shit that I don't use anymore.
That's why. Yeah, you want to fix that. Otherwise, just clogging up your fucking message log and making it a huge file.
All right. Let's see if we can finally trade a fucking 30 minutes of, really 40 minutes of technical difficulties.
Oh, next time,
Of
call
just
your IT guy. Call the help desk.
absolute bullshit. Yeah, I was sending Claude the message log on this, and it's like, it looks fine. And then it's like, well, how did it magically switch to another ID, study ID?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I don't, that only happens if you add or remove a study. The IDs change.
86 is
Good. Beautiful. Double check there.
it's 9, yes.
Yep, beautiful. Awesome, dude. I'm gonna mute now.
We just had 10 o'clock news, which was ISM manufacturing, and it doesn't seem to have moved the market much.
No, I have no fucking context. Well, shit. Oh, it's fraud prevention. Fuck, because I told him no on the rebill. They can fucking wait. They can. Like, oh, I gotta confirm because I accidentally hit no on a rebuild. It's like, motherfuckers, I'm always paying with Sierra charts with this fucking account. Well. See, I need to get delivered on the fucking demon of fucking. I get annoyed by this shit. Technical fucking difficulties. Are you getting your ass kicked over there?
Oh God, no. I try not to trade it, Denise. I'm up 235 on micros so far.
Well, what's the last few trades look like?
Beautiful. I'm at 90% win rate. I'm pretty sure. I tried to. The reason I've been quiet is because I'm trying to get that indicator to work. I need to update.
Which one?
The Tradecraft.
Oh.
I need to update Sierra charts in order to do that. So I'm gonna wait until after the session. I don't want to break anything.
So now we need to know if the Delta is going to be running with. Is it running with stocks or is it running with ES? And it looks like it's running with ES.
Mm-hmm.
I think what happened Friday, if the stocks are not agreeing with ES, it's just going to run the other fucking way.
Yeah.
Which it still isn't. There's some weird, like, I just don't understand how the stocks just are physically selling.
Yeah.
And we just go up. Physically, there are shares just dumping out of it. How could a stock market just be driven up on pure selling? Maybe the bids or whatever. We do see high buy weights come in. But how is it that the volume is coming out to the sell side? It's either what I've built is wrong, but I don't know, because this is exactly like ABV diff. See, the ES looks like it's Delta for the most part.
A little bit of spoof up. A lot of sellers here at 85s. I'm wondering if they get trapped. It looks like
Buy
they
a little
are.
bit.
Long 85.
Can you screenshot? Oh,
sorry. Long
just
85 out 87.25. What do you need to screenshot of?
screenshot your fucking profile, the stock one.
Wait.
Interesting. They're all moving in unison now.
Yeah, I just attached it. This is what the weight profile looks like.
Ooh, fuck. Okay. You ever like either you or Ryan ever fart and like your asshole just like claps really hard on itself and it hurt? You know what I'm talking about?
All the time.
Okay, thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, not really.
I knew you wouldn't miss a beat. Unless you were being sarcastic, and maybe I have some sort of issue here.
No, dude, I have it bad. Between the hemorrhoids and everything else, my asshole's a fucking it's like a wasteland. So trust me, I
Yeah.
got problems, bro.
Oh, it's like Fallout.
Oh, you've got no idea.
Both
Green
you
and
old
everything,
fucks
and
probably
like
got hemorrhoids.
That's what we'll call you. You're fucking. It's like the forest of Chernobyl. It's like a fucking 3-eyed deer walking around in there. So there's a huge reload here because your stocks and ES did spike up.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like this area because they're starting to do this little it's a tight auction. That's what I'll say. It's a super tight auction here.
There's not that much trap flow on ES.
A bit of natural flow that did come out the bottom side there. They're trying to spoof it back up.
Let's see if stocks have been going down overall.
I tried to grab 85.50 long, but I missed it. That would have been a nice one.
Bunch of sellers trapped. Dude, based off of that photo you sent, I want to be surprised if they jam it into those 90s.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
And stocks on the delta, the weighted delta, are moving kind of with ES.
Mm-hmm.
And when they pulled low, well, we'll see. There's obviously a lot of passive something or other going on in here. ES has a fucking huge pocket of no flow above us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're stuck between two spoof zones, which I don't like. I want to see them clear one of them out and generate liquidity. There it is.
ES's flow is moving it.
Yeah.
There's still a shitload of trap sellers.
Look how thick it is. I'm at 23 right now for average.
You said there was there news on the open? No, there wasn't on
At
the
10
open.
o'clock, so 10 minutes ago there was news.
Okay, so the stocks sold off initially on the open, substantially on the delta, and it seems like we're recouping that reclaim up. Yes, just seems to be rolling its old inventory. Stocks are spiking up. Yes, looks like it's about to jump.
Yeah, I agree.
I want to get long 90.75, no fill, cancel. This stupid ass fucking heat map is absolutely wrong. I hate this heat map with a passion.
I'm just sitting on my hands. I haven't had a setup for a while.
Drugging the bids, man. It's the fucking options flow. It's gotta be. Stocks and ES selling off. They're starting to work together on the delta.
Yeah, they're syncing up. They're starting to spoof low, which could be a change in character. I don't know. This trend is so strong. I do not want to short today. Not until there's a definitive change in character.
Yes, flow is like jammed in this tight range. But the price is chipping away up. You're on resistance for both the ES and the stocks. Or support for their deltas. Which is not supporting the market at all. I went long and instantly blew out, and it's, if I don't get out, it's just going to get worse. So we'll take our first trade of the session, which is a nice loss, which we are still kind of fucked from Friday. It's 800 down the hold, didn't even go a tick in my favor. Probably going to come back up. Who knows?
I thought about 88.50 long, but I pulled the order.
They just all blew out their little resistance areas. I see that as spoofing its way up.
Yeah. Yeah, they've been doing that all session. Which is nice because sometimes you'll get along and then they just lift all the offers and your trade just immediately goes up. Nailing the execution
Man,
is a different
fucking
story, though.
sucks when it fucking comes back to where I was sitting. But it went down so violently on me. Stocks on another support area. Yes, looks like it's trying to go into back up into the trap above. Yes, it's hitting that upper flow. Stocks are trying to push up. You got buying across the profile. Picked up 3 ticks. I was long again. It's not going to fix that loss. Fixed a little bit of it, down $400. There it goes popping up. I figured it was going to run 95s or some shit, but I'm a little skittish. Damn it. To get shaken out for a loss, to fucking have it go to fucking cut the second attempt short.
Look at that spoof up, dude. There's nothing in there.
Yeah, but I cut it like a fucking asshole. I would have been up. I don't know what stocks are doing. They're kind of like they're on a huge support zone for the delta. They're sinking. That stock, I would be careful about. Like, I know it's long, everything looks long, but man, that stock delta, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of stinks up here. I haven't had a setup in probably 20 minutes, which I'm fine with since I'm green on the day.
It's rugging when stocks and ES sink on the downstroke for the delta. It's a huge spike, but that's because there was liquidity there.
Yeah, and he's currently trapped. That was a 300 bid at 97, and he's trapped
There's
right
this.
now.
We're still in the support and resistance on the stock delta, but we're coming out the bottom side. You wish you didn't cut that long? Well, you know what they say, wish in one hand and shit in the other. You tell me which one fills up faster. If you want to make a wish, donate to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. You just gotta like change your language patterns. It's just that cycle of thinking is what causes. It's just really like, trust me, I get into that pattern and it just doesn't go well. You gotta stop those negative thoughts in their tracks. Whatever the fuck you use, I don't know. You could try some Wim Hof breathing. That helps.
Tried to get a 94.50 long a minute ago, but I missed it.
Just give it a minute.
Yeah, I'm not too happy about this spoof zone above us. That big old.
Just don't fuck with it until you gain like really good clarity.
Mhm.
See, stocks are starting to sell off a little bit. But we're getting that really inverted shit. But also we were sinking really well on the stocks up until this point. Right here, this is where we've had the biggest change in character in the stock. And I don't know if this is going to do that. Oh, we're almost to the psych number, but we're going to dump 100-point thing. It doesn't feel like that, but
Well, it's so thick up here. I'm at 33 average right now. So this it is top heavy. You know, if all these orders are coming in at the high of day, it does add a layer of concern.
Like the stock movement has been affecting it up until, yeah, right here is where it started to invert. Stock's behavior just changed. I guess you saw my DM about the future options.
Yeah, I read that.
Dude,
over the
there's
weekend.
just huge size that's going through those.
Mhm.
And they don't even try to hide it.
No. Have you ever looked at unusual whales?
Sometimes.
I know they have really good option flow. I don't know. I've never
It's not the
paid for a
same.
subscription or anything, but
Nobody's, as far as I know, nobody's looking at it the way I am. Like just raw time and
Mhm.
sales data or cumulative delta. Everybody's looking at that other bullshit. Which I mean, after Friday, it's like, okay, there's definitely something in the options that is pushing it, but I think it needs to be looked at from a time and sales perspective, not
Mhm.
gamma levels and that garbage.
Yeah.
I guess they're gonna hit it. Fuck. Your stock flow is starting to reverse a little bit. The stock flow shit though. That's the thing. The stock flow is like really bad. It's like not. Yeah, fasted. Well, if I go roller skate fasted, I can go harder. Man, this thing's just like playing games. It's interesting because as both the delta on the ES and the stocks, as they dump, the price doesn't really dump
Mhm.
unless they sink on their dump, which they're kind of doing it now. But you have a massive changing character on stock flow. But the price is still pushing up. So that did happen on Friday, and then the price just kind of like ripped upward. But stock delta continue to just dump. It's almost like the intense selling in the stocks is done. The problem is we need a higher time frame analysis to understand what is even has happened up here,
Yeah.
which we don't have. That's what makes trends so hard, is if you don't know what the fuck happened here before, assuming we've been here before.
Now they're starting to pull offers or bids rather.
I'm looking at the old school. Three-second, 30-second, fucking older heat map, which is spotty. Stocks are starting to just really go the other fucking way. My data came in spotty as fuck. There's just been a huge where this X is a massive change in character for the stocks. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pull up TradingView just to look at the higher time frame. Oh, we're near the top of the range for the multi-month range.
Okay, that's good to know.
At the top, which I guess is all-time highs, is 31. It just tapped 600 on a fucking 10 lot, and that's it. I don't know how long the liquidity at 600's been resting. It seemed to have come in as soon as we were approaching it,
Yeah.
which is interesting because we're deflecting off of it. The stocks are just shitting, dude. There's a shitload of trap buyers. Yes is jamming up. I shorted 97s, but I'm taking a break even. So this it moved up on ES, so the ES's flow needs to be more paid attention to. I just don't like the stock flow just constantly chunking low.
Yeah.
Buckload of trap flow here.
Yeah, I tried to get a long trade to work in that area, but I think there's just such a major
Oh,
change
I
in
reshorted
character.
97. Sorry. I reshorted 97.
Yeah, I think you might be right.
I am right.
Because the fact that we've been ranging up here for so long is in and its own a change in character.
All right, so are you giving back or what?
It's 5 tick loss. Yeah.
Just don't. It's different. I need you to gain clarity on this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I noticed because I built a cumulative delta on stocks, but it's like ABV diff, but it's weighted. And on Friday too. So there's definitely option time and sales that's driving the fucking market, which it's interesting because when I built this, it started matching the price action. Now it doesn't anymore. So I feel like the flow is going in and out of the different types of products. But this had a major change in character because it had been sort of driving with the price upward up until this point on the stocks. And on Friday, when I was looking at the futures options, you would see like 1,300 contracts spike in. And since they're 1-to-1 with an ES futures contract, that's a shitload of order flow.
They're putting in a lot of spoof to the downside now, which is a lot different from what they've been doing. We're also so top heavy up here.
I need to get. I gotta respond to your DM. I haven't been on really like all weekend. I just refuse to really be online. Just doing other shit. I want to get a 3D printer, and I think that's gonna be bad for my trading and coding. See, that's the thing. I had the theory about fractured order books and options and shit, and then I built the weighted cumulative delta on the index, and it was matching price, and then it stopped. So now I'm like, and then there'd be times where ES is spoofing, and I'm like, fuck, it is options flow at times. Even in stocks too, which makes shit even more bullshit because like if you look at a Nvidia chart, the delta will be going down, but Nvidia is going up. It should not be doing that to that degree. The thing about it is like, cause like a few equity option is actually worth, like, you can exercise it for 100 shares. There's more volume that goes into actual equities than there would be shares. It's like a Ponzi scheme where you keep taking investors' money to pay old investors or new investors' money to pay the new guy, or the new guy pays the old guy or whatever. Some Bertie Madoff shit. Like there's like more being traded than what's really there. You think the sound is low? Fuck. All right. How's it sound right now?
The sound is fine. I think it's on his end. I haven't had any issues with you the whole time.
No, he's watching a recording. Let me
Oh, I gotcha.
change it. I'll do it now.
Yeah, I don't know why that shit always changes in OBS.
If I fucking turn it up, sometimes you can just hear everything. You can hear me shitting and pissing. You can hear the birds. You can hear me, like, I turned it up a few dBs. Thanks for telling me, though. I don't know. I do listen to them. And I turn up the volume and I seem to hear it okay. Sometimes I just talk quiet. Sometimes I'm away from the mic.
There's that liquidity.
Now they're all spiking together. Now they're all moving the fucking together here. So whatever happened with stocks, they've reloaded. Yeah, dude, that's what I noticed. It seems like there's a hedging going on between the futures and the stocks at times, where they diverge two different ways. But sometimes, like, you're getting spikes in the index and the futures is not, the delta is not driving it. And it's 100% somewhere else. That I'm just curious how much of the equities options are influencing this shit as well. You're talking tens of thousands of order books
My mouse just died.
to look at 503 fucking stocks.
Their fucking cord go. There we go.
Fuckers just taking a go at it up.
Yeah, thick too, which is different. They haven't done that. Or they just like they're stair stepping orders almost.
Went long on 2, trying to get a break even here. It worked initially, but there's the break even. So if we look on this time frame here, there's just this massive fucking where a fuckload of liquidity are like this, just the stocks just it's going the other way. The weight is spotty too on this entire up move. There was hot weight right down here, which we are above it. Coming back in the psych price, like they want to trade in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching for a defense at that level, which it looks like they're trying to put in a defense.
Yes, is like Delta's long weight is really stout. We're 40 on the average bid offer, which is super thick. Like really fucking thick. Typically when we've seen shit like that, it rotates the market.
Yeah, there's so much open interest here. There's about 1,000 lots of open interest near the psych price.
Oh my goodness. My allergies are kicking in hard now. My fucking eyes are just like a faucet. Whew. It's moving up fast though. The price action, like it's struggling to push down, but it's
Mhm.
rugging up.
Yeah, and that has been working for me today, where it'll struggle down, it'll put in a bunch of legitimate offers, and then it'll spoof up and carry my trade along with it. The problem is it's so incredibly tight up here.
Yeah.
They're also starting to spoof short now.
Well, that pink is the bids pulling. Yeah. So, I
Yeah.
mean, it's almost like the stock weight is starting to have influence because it's really been going down a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And the way that just like it jumps up. Putting on lower highs on this bullshit chop. What a sell side weight in here. Fucking hell. So I'm starting to get confused, and I'm gonna have to make a decision because I do have a long at 125 that just was working, and now it's like I'm on the wrong side of a range. But they're all the way they're pulling it and everything.
Yeah. It's a tough area. I've got one at 050. So I've got a little bit better slip advantage, but still, it's not easy to hold it here.
There's so many trap fucking buyers on ES. While there's trap buyers on ES, though, the stocks are completely downward. There's liquidity on those fives. I just don't know if they're going to burst into it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I've been waiting
Stocks
for them to
just...
lift the offers, but they're just not doing it. They're keeping this thing compressed.
Yeah. You know, I'm confused and shit. I think I'm gonna bail it for break even. I don't know. I'm just not. I'm not gonna be a part of it.
Yeah, that's fair. If they can't pull it through these twos here, I'm gonna also take it off.
Since I got out, it'll probably go up.
Yeah, that was your sacrifice.
I mean, the thing is, it's all over this psych number, and that sucks.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it here at 3. There it goes. I got it. I'm gonna call it there.
All right.
I'm up 200, but after commissions, I'm probably up 150.
I've had 3 break evens. which are expensive.
I'm actually up. I'm up 291 before commissions. After commissions, probably gonna be like 225 or something.
One on ABC.
I can barely see. Man, it's like ultra thick. Ultra thick. Super duper thick.
Yeah, I was watching NQ2 there, Greg, and it was a little worrying that NQ was skyrocketing up, but ES was just staying where it was. So I was like, I better start working an exit on this trade. I don't like it when they diverge like that. So I'm gonna get running, man. I gotta go eat something, and then I'll come back and review for a little bit, and then I'm off to work.